Hi, I'm Jay from Wood Finishes Direct. In this video, I'll be teaching you everything you need to know about the Man's Extra Tough door varnish. I'll be applying it to this JB Kind Snowdon door from their Oak Shaker range. It's a beautiful door and it's so easy to finish. So, what is Man's Extra Tough door varnish? Get comfy and I'll explain. Man's Extra Tough door varnish is a versatile, non-yellowing, water-based polyurethane varnish that dries to an attractive satin sheen. Every bit of wood is different, so I always recommend a test area to make sure it gives you your desired results. Before we get started, here's a handy little tip. Ideally, you want to be finishing an unhung door with all handles, hinges and other furniture removed, and all size adjustments made. You'll thank me later. So, I've stirred my varnish, decanted it into the paint tray, let the fun begin. My weapon of choice when applying the Man's Extra Tough door varnish is the ProDeck Premier Synthetic brush. This is a high quality bristle brush that aids for smooth application. Simply let your brush take the plunge and apply long, even strokes along the wood grain. So I've let this dry for an hour and a half and now it's time for an especially important step, giving your door a light sand with a finishing pad. This method aids adhesion of the second coat and gives you a better finish all round. Once you've done that, just clean off the door and apply your second coat the same way as you did the first. After 2 coats, I'm sure you'll agree with me, it looks great. The Man's Extra Tough door varnish has really brought out the natural tones and textures of the wood. We're nearly done. All you need to do now is reapply all the furniture and it's ready to be hung. If you are seeking further technical assistance or advice on this project, why not put us to the test and give us a call or email? We are the experts after all. All the products mentioned in this video are linked in the description on YouTube. Like what you've seen? Don't forget to like and subscribe for all future content. And remember, always do a test area.